Hello, this is my submission for Lab 5 Planning for Comp 380. This lab talks about the strips representation as well as solving planning problems as a constraint satisfaction problem. So the preliminary questions, a strips representation of an action consists of a precondition and an effect, right? So what are the conditions for the action to occur and what is the effect of the action? Strip's assumption is that every primitive feature that is not mentioned is unaffected by the action, unlike the classical representation. Two examples of constraints are state constraints and action constraints. So, like what states can't coexist, what actions can't coexist, and so on. The horizon is the number of steps into the future that is considered during planning. So, a larger horizon means a deeper level of planning and a more complex problem. Part two, we use this simple commuting example and answer some questions. So the starting point is at home, and the goal is to get to UBC. The preconditions of go by bike in the initial problem are just have bike. So this is added later on, but yeah. So question F, preconditions of go by bike is just to have a bike. The post conditions of go by bike are the fact that your location is UBC. Yeah, and this is the part that tells you to add these. So you should be at home in order to be able to go to UFE or UBC. Sorry. And then we're going to solve this problem using this arc consistency. So if we go to solve and we solve with arc consistency, is going to bring up this thing. It's kind of messy, so I opened one already and reorganized it. It's the same one, but yeah. And then these are just asking which values are removed. So these are the values that were removed in the run that chose to go by bike. You know, sometimes it chooses to go by car. And then yeah, we can just auto solve and then see what it gives us this time. Just running arc consistency and removing values from domains. Yeah, there you go. So it chose to go by bike again. Um, and yeah, I did not do the optional part. So that's it. Thank you.